Drive to Vilbis Healthcare is proud to provide a full assortment of mobility safety products to accommodate all stages of life. Standard canes, mobility support level 1. Drive canes provide balance support when standing and walking. Our canes are height adjustable to fit users of all sizes and have a weight capacity range of 300 to 500 pounds. Quad canes, mobility support level 2. Drive quad canes provide increased balance support and stability when standing and walking. In addition to being height adjustable, the large base allows the cane to stand on its own when not in use. They have a weight capacity range of 300 to 500 pounds. 3-wheel rollators, mobility support level 3. 3-wheel rollators are a great mobility option for those with limited mobility. The 3-wheel design provides increased maneuverability in tight spaces and is ideal for indoor and outdoor use. They have a weight capacity limit of 300 pounds. 4-wheel rollators, mobility support level 4. 4-wheel rollators provide safety and security to those with limited or decreasing mobility. These rollators come standard with a padded seat and back support, allowing the user to rest when needed. They have a weight capacity range of 300 to 500 pounds. Folding walkers, mobility support level 5. Folding walkers provide increased stability to those with impaired mobility. Walkers are available with and without front wheels, allowing the user to walk at a slower, more stable pace. They have a weight capacity range of 300 to 500 pounds. Wheelchairs, mobility support level 6. Wheelchairs are a great solution for users who require increasing levels of mobility assistance. Large rear wheels allow the user to self-propel so it can be used with and without the aid of a caregiver. Our wheelchairs fold for easy storage and transport and have a weight capacity range of 300 to 700 pounds. Transport chairs, mobility support level 7. Transport chairs are another great solution for users who require increased mobility assistance. More compact than a wheelchair but lacking the ability to self-propel, they require the assistance of a caregiver. All of our transport chairs fold for easy storage and transports and have a weight capacity range of 300 to 500 pounds. Powered mobility, mobility support level 8. Power scooters provide the highest level of freedom and mobility, allowing users to travel longer distances with confidence and ease. Quick and easy disassembly allow for easy transport and storage. They have a weight capacity range of 300 to 500 pounds. To learn more or to view a complete assortment of mobility safety products, please visit drivemedical.com today.